All right, let's see.
Oh no, I don't recognize you.
No,
Nope.
I don't recognize you either. Well, the battery's dead for one. That's
Yeah, it wasn't doing that before.
not wanting to start? Or
It
what?
would start, but it would cut off.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see. How long did you get the battery replaced, or have you gotten it replaced?
You said what now?
Have you gotten the battery replaced recently?
No, I just bought this car.
Oh, true, true, true.
And the guy told me he fixed everything on the car. See, and then it just cuts off.
Can I get you to go inside and to turn the key off and on real quick? Turn the key like off and on. Turn it to off and what?
My kids are gonna get in it.
Oh gosh.
You said turn it off and on.
Yeah, it's like flip it off and on. All right. Do it again. Okay, stop. Hold on. When did you put gas in it last?
It's got half a tank.
No, when did you put gas last in it? 'Cause it,
Maybe March 9th, because I broke down March 10th.
okay.
Yeah, it's had a nice message to the guy that sold it. I'm glad I have my keys, because my kids just locked me out of the house.
Nice.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah, keep being a smart ass. No.
He said okay. No.
What's that?
He said okay.
No, that was my daughter.
Oh. Oh, what a miss.
Okay, Natalia.
Do me a favor, try to crank it back up if you can.